Ready to share your favorite stories and earn rewards while doing it? First, tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your personal profile page. Next, look for the Invite Friends button. It's clearly labeled, so you shouldn't miss it. Tap on it to proceed. You'll now see your unique invitation code. This is the key for your friends to link up with you. You can also see a share button or copy your invitation link to easily share with your friends. Tap the share button, and a list of options will pop up. Choose your favorite social media platform, like WhatsApp, Facebook, or Messenger. Paste the invitation link into your message, and add a personal note to entice your friends to join. Then, send the invitation. Once your friends join Novelah using your invitation code, you'll both start earning rewards. Keep track of your progress and enjoy the benefits of building your Novelah community. So, start inviting your friends now and unlock a world of shared reading pleasure and awesome rewards.